Horsey starting fun here. Here's a horse. And I'm just kidding. We have Tsum Tsums. One package is a little bit ripped, and I think it's probably Dale from Chip and Dale from Mickey Mouse. Monster High, little Monster High packs. I have like 4 more of these, and this is just me. My horse that I was doing the intro with. So I'm gonna start with the one that I think has Dale in it. I was right! Oh, this is cute. Oh, he's cute. They come in such big bags. I've never opened Tsum Tsums before. I may need to use something sharp in my room. I'm going to use a nail clipper. With one of these things on it. For my younger horsey fans, let a parent do this for a sharp item or something. Because these things are sharp. And I don't want nobody to get hurt. Because I'm 9. So, I'm allowed to use them. Oh my gosh, this little knuckles so cute. Ugh. Oh my god, they each have their own little area. That is so annoying. Alright, you get an open piece, and you get an open piece. I'm gonna get... Ooh. Yeah, they both ran when I was trying to only open one. Alright, I'll have to look at the picture. Oh! I was holding it the wrong way. Funny. And then the other net is right there. Oh god! Oh god. He's gonna even stay in. Guys. If you have a Tsum Tsum. Got little Dale. Go that way on this Tsum Tsum. Guys, I confused. This not stay on Dale. From Chip and Dale. This is little Dale. With him without his nuts. And there's the nuts. And without these, they look like little floaties. They look like little floaties. Without the little nuts in them. Okay, so Dale's gonna sit right here and sort of hold the camera up. No, it's gonna sort of hold the camera up. Do not let the camera go, Mom. Do not let it go. What the? Oh. So the other Tsum Tsums will definitely need this. And guys, remember, get your parents help. Oh, isn't the same one? Is that the 101 Dalmatians? Or no, it's Figaro. Oh, that was kind of loud. Oh my gosh. She's so cute. Minnie likes to spoil the kitty cat. Figaro. 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 Which way does it go? Figaro, which way does it go? Okay. I think this is a fish tank. Yeah, it is. Wait, no. How the heck do I put this on? Oh, it was on the wrong side. Whoops. This one. them line up. I need Mom's help with this. I have no clue. No clue what the heck I'm doing. I'm just gonna put that together first. There we go. I got Goldie's fish tank. God. Here's Goldie's little fish tank. And right there's Goldie. And yeah, you can stick your finger in it. Hey guys. Then Figaro. Well, she stays on better than the nuts on there. Ooh. Here's something else to hold the camera up. Maybe when I'm done all of this, it will hold the camera up. Jesus, this is hard to open. Remember, guys. Oh, that was on the wrong side. Whoops. There we go. Oh, God. Yes! It's open! It's open! It's open! It's open! I'm making a total mess of my bed. This is Venus. This is cute little Venus. I'm like, this is Venus. Like, I already had her. But I don't already have her, yeah. Ready? Set. I'm trying to open my shirt. Oh, it didn't work. Because my cousin, she did that with one of the bags. She's like, I'm tearing open my shirt. And she literally teared the bag open. It was so funny. Oh my god, she's so cute. Oh my god, she's so cute. She's so cute. Can you see her good? Can you guys see her? Can you guys see her? Can you guys see me? She's gonna help hold the camera up as well. She's going on the back though. Oh no, the back is off the back. Oops. She has a little coffin. So does this one. Done. Well, that worked. Sort of. There, I made a little hole. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oop it! I just realized we have scissors in here. I think I already have her. This is Claudine. And I already have her. In one of my other videos, I got her. Go check that video out if you have not. It's a cute little video. And stay tuned, we are going to do shop tunes. He just died. 6 of them. Maybe we'll go 4 on one? I don't know. That's why it isn't staying. Alright, I made a big huge giant hole. It's a good thing. Move it light. There now, it won't be hitting my head. Alright. I'm gonna rip my shirt open. She went flying! Oh my god! She went She literally landed head first. We don't know how to do slow-mo yet. Because we've just started doing YouTube videos. We're not even professionals. So profesh, Mommy and Gracie. She's gonna help hold up the front. And if you guys fall, I am so sorry. But Mom's gonna let the camera go. Ready, set, go. I knew you guys would fall. That was fun. So I did not use a pocket knife. I'm not allowed to have a pocket knife. The nail clipper is one of these things. And it just folds straight up. Now my mom's getting the stuff that fall on the bed. They're not fall on the bed. So I'm gonna run downstairs and get the Shopkins, and we're gonna do another video. See you guys. Peace.